So I'm going to demonstrate how to cut a 22mm pipe with a pipe cutter. This one here is that one I'm using. Now I'm going to measure off here 10 centimeters there. Now I'm going to push this pipe cutter into the spot here, line it up with this mark here, push it right in. Now I've pushed it right in. If you look carefully, you'll see that there's an arrow. Let me show you there. That is the direction that you turn the pipe cutter. You can, of course, turn the pipe itself, if it's not connected to anything, the opposite way. So let me just turn this. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.